Welcome to the Smart Notebook How To demos. This demo is how to use Notebook Smart Blocks. As you can see, I have my notebook file open to a new page. On the left tabs, I'm going to select the Add-on tab, and then I'm going to select Smart Blocks. This is a great tool that you can use to get your students to interact, and you can assess your students' understanding of math operations. First, let's show you how to use Smart Block with your pen. I'm going to drag and drop the addition block to my page. At the top, I'm going to select a pen, and then I'm going to write the number 3, and then draw a line from the 3 to the block. Then I'm going to write the number 5 and draw a line from the 5 to the block. Okay, and that didn't work, so I'm just going to redo it. Draw a line from the 5 to the block, and you can see the 5 appeared and it gave me the answer 8. Next, instead of writing on the board, I'm going to use some pictures with the subtraction block. So I'm going to go over to the add-ons again, and this time I'm going to drag the subtraction block to my page. And over on the left, I'm going to select Images tab. And I already had this open from before, and I'm going to actually drag and drop the candy image to my page. I'm going to make this a little smaller. And then I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to put 7 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 4 on this side. So what I'm going to do is create the equation 7 minus 4. I don't need this one. I'm going to group each set of candies. So over on the left, I'm going to group all of these. So I'm going to select them all and then group them. And then on this side, do the same with this set of 4 candies. Oops, sorry. Select them all and then group. And then up at the top, I'm going to grab my pen again, and I'm going to draw a line from the group to the subtraction box. And as you can see, I have my number 3. Next, I want to take this answer 3 and I want to use it in another equation. So I'm going to get my multiplication box this time. I'm going to drag that over here. And actually I'm going to use the answer from both equations. So I'm going to grab my pen again, and I'm going to draw a line from this smart block, and you see the answer is 8 and it appears there, and this smart block, and the answer here was 3, and you can see the answer here, 3, and the answer of 8 times 3 is 24. One last thing I want to talk about is the unknown block. So I'm going to open my tab again, and at the very bottom, past all the math operations, is an unknown block. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from the answer 24. So I'm going to drag that here. You can see 24 appears. And then I'm going to draw a line from the number 3 that I wrote here. And I'm going to drag that here. And it gives me the number 8. And then you can ask your students, what operation is this answer for? Thanks for watching this demo. Check out the other demos in this How To demo series.